This is the 69 510 dash assembly I have for sale on eBay. I don't want to overdo it, but you can see the dash pad is still soft and squishy everywhere. It springs right back just like a new one. Again, I'm not gonna overdo it. I don't recommend doing this, but anyway, it's soft, squishy everywhere. The dash pad is about as perfect as I've ever seen. There are no cracks, there are no dents. There is a slight bit of sag to the center. I don't know if they're all that way or not. Odometer shows 33, 542. Switches are kind of mounted weird and not how they're supposed to be. Again, these lower pads are soft as well. You can see the heater controls are all there. Dash wiring harness, ducts, ashtray, glove box door, and the latch works perfectly.